You want to sound more natural when you're speaking in English, right? You want to be able to connect all the sounds together and get this nice, smooth flow, just like native speakers do, but you're not really sure how to do it. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy technique that you can use to start speaking more naturally in English. So, let's get cracking. Hey up mate, and cheers for finding this video today. My name is Dan, I'm a CELTA qualified British English teacher, and my goal is to help you feel more confident when you're communicating in English. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably want to improve your English speaking skills, but maybe you're not sure how to do that, or maybe you don't have anybody to practice with. Don't worry, I've put together a speaking practice toolkit that you can download using the link in the description below. It'll help you practice your speaking skills so you can speak more fluently and confidently in English. Right then, today's video is about a connected speech technique that native speakers like me use all the time to kind of blend words together so it all flows naturally and you get that nice flowing rhythmic speech, right? But before I explain exactly what the technique is and how to do it, I want to see if you can spot it. So I'm going to read some sentences out loud, and I want you to listen and see if you can hear something that sounds a bit strange. Okay? So the first sentence, I want to go on holiday. I want to go on holiday. How about, she asked him to help. She asked him to help. What about, I saw it last week. I saw it last week. Did you hear anything strange? Okay, I'll give you one more try, but this time pay special attention to the underlined words, okay? I'm going to do it a bit slower first. I want to go on holiday. I want to go on holiday. Next one. She asked him to help. She asked him to help. Last one. I saw it last week. I saw it last week. Any ideas? Well, if you paid very close attention, you might have heard a couple of extra sounds that weren't written. So this is called intrusion, and basically the idea is to make it easier for us to pronounce things quickly and flow and make everything blend together. We actually add sounds in between words to make it link a bit easier, right? This is called intrusion, and there are a few things that you need to know about because the sound that we add is different depending on the vowel sound that comes before it. So let's take a closer look. Right then, so we can see that this word ends in a vowel sound and this word starts with a vowel sound. And if you look at the transcription, we've got E, and this one starts with A, right? You'll notice this one also E, E, and I'm going to call these smile vowels because to say them, you need to smile. E, big smile, smile sound. Okay, cool. So when we have a smile vowel at the end of a word and the next word starts with a vowel, we're going to link them together. So here, we're going to add a Y. Okay, whenever we have a smile, we're adding a Y. So instead of the apple, it's going to become the yapple. The apple. So this is going to become the, and then we get E, apple. The apple. The apple. The apple. Okay? Not the apple. The apple. The apple. Yapple. Yapple. Cool. Let's look at the next one. We've got this E sound. Next word starts with a vowel, an O. So we've got 3 olives, but we actually add this Y sound in here. We get 3 olives. 3 olives. Okay. We wrote it down. It's like 3. Three olives. 3 olives. 3 olives, probably. Cool. So once again, E, smile, olives. 3 olives. We're adding this y. Last one, she understood. Okay. We're adding this y. She, smile. She understood. She understood. Cool. And if we look at it like this, she... well, my accent understood, but understood. She understood. And we've got this. Yeah, she understood. Sorry. She understood. She understood. She understood. Okay. So this is smile vowels, where we're adding this y. Okay. Now let's look at the next ending sound. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at something called round sounds. And that's because you have a nice round mouth to make these sounds. Like ooh, ooh, very round mouth. Or go, oh, very round mouth. So we're calling these round sounds, okay? And when you get round sounds, we're going to add w. We're going to add w. So we've got do, the round sound. The next word starts with a vowel sound. So we're going to add a w. And we kind of get do wit. Do it. We look at the phonetics. We've got do, then wit. Do it. Do it. Not do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, next one. 2 eggs. Ooh, 2. 2. And the E or E sound here. 2 eggs. We're going to add the W here. And we're going to get 2 wegs. 2 eggs. Okay. And yeah, let's do the transcript. So 2, then wegs. 2 eggs. Easy. Last one, we've got this diphthong. But the diphthong, O, ends in a nice round O. Go. Go. Okay. And the next word starts with O. So we're going to add the W again. Go on. Go on. I know its spelling looks like one, but one. This is why we use the transcripts, okay? The transcript, you've got go on. Go on. Okay? So round sounds add the w, like this. We've actually got one more to look at, so let's have a look. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to look at today is neutral sounds, where you've got a nice, flat, normal, neutral mouth. Not a smile, not round. It's just kind of relaxed. Okay, in this case, we're adding a r, intrusive r. Okay, so this is why it's really important to look at the transcript and not the spelling. Okay. Because we look at this, it ends in a w. But it's not so it. No. So if you look at the transcript, it actually ends in this or sound. So the spelling is no good. The transcript shows the truth. It ends in or. And the next one starts with I. So we're going to add this r. And it actually ends up becoming saw it. Saw it. Saw it. And if we look at the transcript, it'd be saw it. Saw it. Saw it. So we're adding kind of a r in here. Saw it. Cool. Next one. idea of. So here we've got this kind of neutral, idea, idea. And the next one starts with the same sound, idea of. So even though it finishes with a a, it's actually a schwa sound. So we're going to add the r in there, and you're going to get idea of. But once again, we can't really trust the spelling because it's OF, but actually it's of, like this. So if we look at the transcript, we've got idea of. It's not actually. Tell a lie. Idea of. Cool. And the last one then, we've got media event. Once again, we've got this and the event. There you go. So we're going to link that with this media event, and we get media event. Okay. Or in transcript, it'd be media event. Media event. Okay. So this is neutral sound or intrusive R, and we get media event. Nice one. So there you have the connected speech technique called intrusion, where we either add a y, a w, or a r between words to make it flow a bit more nicely. And you can start using this in your own speech today. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you do want to improve your speaking skills, but you're not really sure what to do, or you've got nobody to practice with, check out my speaking practice toolkit below. It's a free guide that shows you a bunch of exercises you can do anytime, anywhere, that are guaranteed to boost your speaking confidence. Totally free. Click it below in the description and download it today. But that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I'll be back again with another one really soon. Until then, look after yourself, mate. See you there.